Climb.
Climb.
Yes. Climb.
Climb.
Yes. Buy.
Buy.
I want to buy this.
I want to buy this.
Yes. I want to buy that.
I want to buy that.
Yes. And I want to buy this.
I want to buy flower.
Yes. Yes. Move.
Move.
Yes. Fly.
Fly.
Yeah. Fly.
Fly.
Yes. Live.
Live.
Yes. I live.
I live.
Yes. Sing.
Sing.
I sing.
I sing.
Yeah. Singing.
Singing.
Yes.
Singing.
Singing. That was good. Dance.
Dance.
Yes. Dance. Dancing.
Dancing.
Yes.
Dancing.
Dancing. Yes.
Dancing.
Learn.
Learn.
Yeah. Learn.
Learn.
Listen.
Listen.
Yes. Listen.
Listen.
Yes. Swim.
Swim.
Yeah. Swim.
Swim.
Yes. Make.
Make.
Yes. Make dinner.
Make dinner.
Yeah. Make me breakfast.
Make me breakfast.
Yes. Yes. That was good. Now that you've learned how to pronounce those words, let me give you the definitions for each of them, as well as a quick sentence that you can use each of them in and start using today. The first word we went over was climb. Climb means to move up something using your hands and feet. So in a sentence, you could say, I want to climb that hill today. I want to climb that hill today. The next word we went over was buy. Repeat it with me 3 times. Buy. 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 To put that in a sentence, you could say, I need to buy groceries later. I need to buy groceries later. Then we went over a full sentence. I want to buy this. Repeat it with me 3 times. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. You won't need another sentence for that one because it's a sentence in and of itself. To move on to the next one was, I want to buy that. Repeat it with me. I want to buy that. I want to buy that. I want to buy this, or I want to buy that. That's how you'll say it in a sentence. You don't need another sentence to go with that. Now that we have both those sentences out of the way, we'll go on to the next word, which is move. Move. Say it with me 3 times. Move. 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 And the meaning for move is to change position or move from one place to the next. To use that in a sentence, you could say, please move your chair. Please move your chair. All right, let's go on to the next word. Fly. It means to travel through the air. Repeat it with me 3 times. Fly. 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 To use that in a sentence, you could say, birds can fly high in the sky. Birds can fly high in the sky. Let's go on to the next one. Live. Repeat it with me 3 times. Live. 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 If I were to use that in a sentence, I would say, I live in California. I live in California. All right, let's go on to the next one. Sing. Sing. To sing means to make music with your voice. So to make music with your voice, repeat it with me 3 times. Sing. 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 To use that in a sentence, you could say, I like to sing in the car. I like to sing in the car. I like to sing in the car. There's your sentence. All right, let's go on to the next one. So the next 2 pretty much involve with sing. I sing or singing. I sing means I am singing. I sing. I like to sing would be a sentence. I like to sing. I like to sing. And then a sentence for singing would be I like singing. I like singing. Now let's go on to the next one. Dance and dancing. Dance. Let's say it 3 times. Dance. 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 And the other one is dancing. dancing, dancing, dancing. To use that in a sentence, you could say, I like to dance. I like to dance. Or, I like dancing. I like dancing. There are your two sentences. Let's move on to the next one. Learn. Learn means to get new knowledge or skills. Repeat it with me 3 times. Learn, learn, learn. Now to use that in a sentence, you could say, I want to learn more English. I want to learn more English. All right, let's go on to the next one. The next one is listen. Listen. It means to pay attention to sound. Repeat it with me 3 times. Listen, 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 listen. To use that in a sentence, you could say, I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. All right, let's go on to the next one. Swim. Repeat it with me 3 times. Swim, swim, swim. Swim means to move through water using your arms and your legs. To put that in a sentence, you could say, I like to swim. I like to swim. I like to swim. The next one is make, which means to create or prepare something. Repeat it with me 3 times. Make, make, make. Now to use that in a sentence, you could say, I need to make a list. 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 All right, let's go on to the next one. The next one was make dinner. Repeat it with me 3 times. Make dinner. Make dinner. Make dinner. All right, how you would use that in a sentence, you could say, I need to make dinner. I need to make dinner. I need to make dinner. There's your sentence. All right, let's go on to the next one. Make me breakfast. Make me breakfast means asking somebody to make breakfast for you. Make me breakfast. Repeat it with me 3 times. Make me breakfast. Make me breakfast. Make me breakfast. And in a sentence, you could say, can you make me breakfast tomorrow? Can you make me breakfast tomorrow? Can you make me breakfast tomorrow? And there's your sentence. All right, guys, thanks so much. That's it for this lesson. Now you've got some new sentences that you can use today and hopefully into the future. I answer all comments personally, so I love to hear what you guys are thinking, which words were hard for you during this lesson, which words that you'd like to see in upcoming lessons. Thanks so much and catch you next week.